One number 89, properties of logarithms. If we were to take one log and have a multiplication, we could rewrite this log as two different logs being added together. Same thing with division. If you had one log base a of x over y, you could write it as log base a x minus log base a of y. So we're taking one log multiplied together. We're separating into an addition of the two parts that we're taking the log of. Now, why do these first two properties work? It goes back to, if you remember from exponents, if you were to multiply two expressions together, exponential expressions, if they had the same base, we would add those together. Well, why does that work here? Well, logs, if you remember, are an inverse of exponentials. So they're going to share the same properties as exponentials do. Alright, that's why that works. Okay, the third property, log base a of x to the t power. We could write this as t times log base a of x. Just bring the t right down in front. And I'll give you a simple example as to why this works. Let's say you have log of x squared. Okay, let's rewrite this as log of x times x. Alright, now we can use the first property and rewrite this as what? Log x plus log x. Well, how many log x's do you have? 2. So it's 2 log x. So you could have just brought the 2 right down in front, and that's why that third property would work out. Okay, so we're going to write each using the properties of logarithms. Log base 6 of 7 times 5 equals log base 6 of 7 plus log base 6 of 5. That is it. That is that simple. Next one. Log base 6 of 12 over 5. Well, that's the division, therefore it becomes subtraction. Log base 6 of 12 minus log base 6 of 5. Alright. Next one. Log base 3 of the square root of 12. We're going to rewrite the square root of 12 as 12 to the 1/2. Then we could bring the 1/2 in front. So it gives us 1/2 log base 3 of 12. Alright, we have log base a of ab over c squared d cubed. We're going to first write this as a subtraction to get rid of the division part of this. So now we have a subtraction of two logs. Now we can write this as addition, right? Because you have a multiplication going on. Same thing here, addition. Now, the key here from this step is to put the parentheses because we are subtracting this multiplication, the log of this multiplication. So therefore we're going to subtract the addition of the two logs. Then we just bring the 2 and the 3 down in front. Bam, here you go. You're all set. Log base b of the 5th root of x cubed. You bet it. You guessed it right. We're going to rewrite this as log base b of x to the 3/5 and bring the 3/5 down in front. We're all set. And then the last one here, a little bit more fun. We're going to rewrite this as, see, because what we learned here? We learned here that you need to rewrite these as exponentials rather than radicals. So we're going to write it as an exponential. So a squared b to the 6th over c to the y to the 1 over x. Okay, now we're going to bring that 1 over x in front of the log. See that? Now you can just do what we did before. We're going to do addition here. We're going to bring the y in front here. We're going to bring the 2 and the 6 in front. See that? So there's your addition. Alright, there's your y. We're going to bring that down in front. Bring the 6, bring the 2, and bam, we're all set. Any questions or concerns, please send me an email. Good times.